Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add account information to the Lichi application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option next to the menu section. Tap on account information in the profile section and then you can add your phone number. Then your email address can be set as well as your last name. Then your middle name. And if you are done with adding all these information, tap on the save button down below and then it will be updated automatically. If you want, you can edit it anytime by coming back to this section and changing the relevant details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.